I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites so enrollment doesn't fail. First, make sure the user account has an Intune license and MDM enrollment is enabled in Azure AD. Next, confirm the device OS and builds meet Microsoft's requirements and that it can reach the internet and company Wi-Fi. Then collect the user's corporate email, Wi-Fi details, and whether you'll use Autopilot or company portal. Once done, power on the device and connect it to the network to begin the enrollment flow. Now configure Intune and Azure AD settings to accept the device. In the Intune Admin Center, confirm MDM authority, enrollment restrictions, and any platform-specific settings. If using Autopilot, upload hardware hash and assign an Autopilot profile. Otherwise, prepare company portal and enrollment tokens for iOS/Android. Assign the device or user to the correct Azure AD groups so policies and apps target them. Make sure compliance and configuration profiles are on the device. Complete enrollment by signing in with the corporate account, accepting MDM prompts, and installing company portal when required. Once enrolled, confirm the device shows up in Intune devices and verify that configuration profiles, compliance checks, and required apps begin to install. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Check device diagnostic/MDM logs, confirm network and proxy allow Intune endpoints, verify Azure AD join status and license assignment, and rerun enrollment after fixing the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.